Welcome to Pro News Flash. Bitcoin, which got off to a good start in 2026, has fallen out of favor due to new tariffs imposed by the White House. Let's dive into the latest developments. The White House's threat to impose tariffs on 8 European countries from February 1st at a rate of 10%, with a potential increase to 25% by the summer, has become a nightmare for Bitcoin. Investors already saw this horror movie in April last year, when Bitcoin quotes plummeted to their lowest level since the presidential election in response to the threat of the highest import levies since the 1930s. Bitcoin is taking a double hit from tariffs. Donald Trump's intention to turn the United States into the world's crypto capital has made crypto a kind of American asset. Therefore, the return of the Sell America trade quickly pulled the rug out from under the Bitcoin bulls. At the same time, digital assets faced an outflow of capital to the gold market. Its record highs on America's Liberation Day and its first rise above $4,700 per ounce in history in January were the result in part of money flowing in. Previously, investors bought Bitcoin simply because it was rising. Now, the same thing is happening with gold. A significant part of its rally is speculative in nature. On EU-US trade conflict escalation, the paths of Bitcoin and US stock indices are likely to converge again. They diverged in the fourth quarter, and one of the reasons was artificial intelligence technology. It helped stocks grow and prevented Bitcoin from doing so. According to Jefferies, the development of quantum computing will seriously undermine the reliability of crypto wallets. The security of storing funds in them will decline, which will reduce confidence in digital assets and contribute to a collapse in their prices. The company has reduced the share of cryptocurrencies in its portfolios by 10%. So, after a fairly successful start to the year, Bitcoin has once again fallen out of favor with investors and is poised to resume its downward trend. What can save it? It is quite possible that the Supreme Court will lend a helping hand to the crypto market. The abolition of universal tariffs will be favorable for U.S. stocks and may trigger a correction in gold. The outflow of capital from it suggests that part of the pie will go to cryptocurrency. Stay with Pro News for more updates on events in the financial markets. Like, share, and subscribe.